the sky, and they can control that flight in these wingsuits as well. Now that is a fun way to enjoy flying. And I am more than happy to let them do it as they drag apart now and open their chutes. Amazing how they can control that flight in their wingsuits. Swanson. At this point is a reflex sound. They can hear your applause from here, folks. It's a great reflector. Let them know how impressed you are. The Red Bull Air Force. Look at that. Oh, my. Give it up for Mike Swanson and Andy Barrington.